Have you seen the latest builder in the Preserve in Sherman? Gravity Homes by Lillian is your newest builder in the Preserve, and today we're going to walk through the Rose floor plan. This is a single-story floor plan that offers 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. This home has so much more than it looks like from the front, and I'm excited to walk you through it today. I'm Amanda Phillips, a local realtor, and your connection to new construction in the Sherman community. The Preserve is located in West Sherman. These homes are in with several other new homes that have been built over the years. The Preserve is located in Sorey Elementary School, which feeds into Piner Middle School and into Sherman High School. So excited to have this new builder in Sherman, and their product is amazing. Open floor plan, you customize your kitchen. You can see the solid surface counters that are offered there. I love the island that really divides the kitchen from the living room. This model has tile throughout, which with a couple of rugs, you could really customize it to your own taste. You can pick your cabinet color, your countertop color. You can see that the island is the height where you can have bar stools, so great for breakfast or snack time. Plenty of cabinets, and the Preserve has natural gas. As you can see here, you can have the option of a separate oven and the gas cooktop, or you can do a drop-in electric oven range with the microwave hood above it. Turning back and looking into the living room, you can see that the island really divides the living room and the kitchen. Love the undermount sink. You can pick your faucets and fixtures to your liking. So if the shiny silver is not for you, they also offer a brushed nickel option. Tons of natural light in these homes because of all the windows that are offered. Ceiling fans, recessed lighting. You really get some high customization features with Gravity Homes by Lillian. Inside, behind the walls, spray foam insulation is standard, along with the high efficiency HVAC system for seasonal comfort, low E double insulated windows, and tankless hot water heaters provide maximum energy efficiency. So that lets you know that they have built a quality home. Like I told you at the beginning of this video, this single story home is 4 bedrooms, the first bedroom being at the front of the home. I love the higher ceilings, a little tray to the ceilings to give it that customized feeling, and the extra little arch over the window. Just some decorative pieces that make this bedroom feel luxurious. Decent sized closets. There is a hall bath between. There's another bedroom on the other side. You can see here solid surface vanities, a large mirror, tile surround in the tub shower combination with just little extras like this corner shelf. I'm a fan of a window in a bathroom to let that natural light come in. I like how they went horizontal with the window to allow maximum light in, but with keeping with the privacy in the bathroom. And on the other side of that hall bath, you can see, similar to the bedroom at the front of the house, again, you get a nice window, higher ceilings, just that more custom feel. These homes are so neutral, so you can move in and make it what you want it to be. If you want to paint an accent wall, if you want to put wallpaper up, if you want to paint the whole room a color, you get to come in and make it your very own. You can see in these bedrooms, they have carpet, so you do have some flooring options. When I connect you with the Gravity Homes sales representative, they will go over all of the customization options that you have with Lillian at the Preserve. I love this long, large open walkway from the front door into the home. So we've seen 2 bedrooms and a bathroom on one side. This is a linen closet, storage galore that they're offering. And then just past this closet is going to be technically your fourth bedroom, but for this tour, it will be the third bedroom that we'll see. So again, higher ceilings, a window, natural light coming in. They chose carpet for this bedroom as well. This one is a little smaller, so it could be used as an office if you need a home office, or if you truly need 4 bedrooms, you have that option because every room has a closet in it. Full-size laundry area that leads out to the 2-car garage that faces front in this home, but you can see here that you have a hang bar above, storage for your laundry supplies there above the washer and dryer area, and there's going to be tile in that wet area as well. Leading back into the living room, this is technically a living dining combination. You could put a table over in that nook along the back wall where the windows are. So I love the flexibility of just a truly open space with the high ceilings. And at the back of the home is the primary bedroom. Love the customization that they've done to this to just make it feel a little nicer. That higher ceiling, the transom arched window up top. You have the triple window there that just allows for maximum natural light. They do offer a blind package that we could possibly add in to your new build. There is a homeowners association in the preserve as well, and we would go over all of that once you have chosen your lot and your floor plan and everything really gets going. Stepping into the primary bathroom, large walk-in shower, tile surround, again with those little extras that they have included in here, that horizontal window, the corner shelf, and this bathroom is so spacious. The closet, I love the multi-tiered hang bars so that you can maximize your storage in your primary closet. I don't think you would need more space than this. Everything you need to hang could definitely fit in here, and there's carpet in there while there's tile in the bathroom. More linen storage. So we've seen lots of storage in this walkthrough. A lot of people say new homes just don't have the storage that the older homes have. I feel like Gravity Homes by Lillian took that into account, and so they've tucked little extra closets into any space that they had extra so that you can have the storage that you've been looking for. Speaking of storage, look at those drawers. So in the primary bathroom, you have 2 sink vanity, drawers between, storage under. I love the large mirror with the decorative lighting above it. So these homes feel very warm and welcoming, and yet you can customize it to what you want it to look like, because everything is going to be nice and neutral when you move in. Couple of extras that come with Lillian Homes. Smart home features include their doorbell, smart thermostat, the garage door opener, plus high-speed Cat 6 connections are in every single room. This neighborhood does have fiber internet. You can choose your electricity provider, and like we said in the kitchen, there is natural gas in this neighborhood. So you have your tankless hot water heater, your central heat and air will be gas, your heat would be gas, and then again, if you choose to have the gas stove as well. Single story home, they have classic brick and stone exterior. Again, this home had 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms and tons of energy efficient features that we went over. Out the back door, this cute little covered patio. Every backyard is privacy fenced with a landscape option to it. Gravity Homes by Lillian does offer a 1-to-10 new home warranty, which covers workmanship, systems, and structures. That is standard in place for all of their new builds, and these homes are ready to be sold. This home specifically is currently for sale. So if you are looking for a completed home, if you need to be in Sherman quickly, let's connect and I can get you connected with Gravity Homes by Lillian.